Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Who needs a swallow when you have this appetizing okra soup? Yes, you can lick this soup and it will fill you up very well. So if you're watching your weight, if you're ketoing, I prepared this soup especially for you and every other person that wants to join us. With Nigerian soups, you can vary the quantities of ingredients to your liking and still end up with a delicious pot of soup. I'll be using 1 red sea bream fish and 1 gilt-head sea bream fish. Shrimps, I've shelled, deveined and cleaned them with water. I left the tail on just because it looks good in the soup. You can also add other hardcore seafood, lobster, crabs, mussels, yes. Okra. The okra we can buy here are not as green as the okra sold in Nigeria, so they look pale in the soup. I'm going full on soft and tough, so I'm adding beef. By now, you know that I love using cow ribs when preparing Nigerian soups. This part of beef makes the soups taste so good. It contains lots of fat though, which is great for keto. For those who are watching the oil in their diets, use another part of beef or skip it completely. Salt, palm oil, sweet pepper, which is not spicy, habanero pepper, which has been chilling in the freezer, onions, stock cubes, and spinach. Here are all the ingredients prepped. I prefer hand-cut okra, so I cut them into medium pieces. You can cut yours into any size you want. The tinier you cut the okra, the more slimy it will be when you are preparing the soup, as you will see later. I have a video on how to hand-cut okra super fast, if hand-cut okra is your thing. I used my fingertips to tear up the spinach, dice the peppers, the onions, and cut the fish into sizable pieces. Cook the beef with the stock cubes and half of the diced onions. When done, remove the beef and add the fish. Cook for 5 minutes, at most 7 minutes, so it does not disintegrate. Gently take them out when done. Add the shrimps and cook for 5 minutes. Take out the shrimps and set the stock aside. If you found this video helpful so far, please click the like button below and share the link with your friends and family. Lots of thieves download my videos and charge people money to send them these videos. Yes, monkey they walk, baboon they chop. One way you can help me stop this is by liking my videos and sharing the link with as many people as possible so that more eyes can see the video before the rogues get to them. Liking and sharing the video is a simple gesture you can use to reward me, that is a YouTuber, for taking the time to record, edit, and share valuable free information with you all the time. It's the fuel that will keep me making these videos for as long as possible. Thank you for doing that. In a different pot, add the red palm oil. Once it heats up again, add the remaining onions, fry for a bit, and add the okra. Fry till it heats up all over. Then start adding the meat and fish stock bit by bit. Stir with all your power and you will see the okra elasticity kicking in. You can control the intensity of the slime by adjusting your stirring power accordingly. I want the stock piping hot when it goes into the soup pot. That's why I have it boiling on another burner. That way you don't need to cook the okra for too long. I don't know how to explain this one. That's the science of cooking. If you want less water in your own soup, boil down the stock by a lot before adding it to the pot of soup. When done, add the peppers and the spinach. Cover, and once the leaves wilt, stir and add salt if necessary. I say if necessary because stock cubes contain salt and all these fish and shrimps taste salty. Add the meat and fish and stir gently. You can see that I used a spatula all through the process of cooking this soup. A spatula stirs the soup without crushing the fish. Cover, and once it heats up again, it's done. Transfer to a cool container immediately so everything remains green. That's the tip. Forget about that swallow. Who needs a swallow when you can have this soup? Click the left box to watch more Nigerian soups recipes videos. Bye bye. See you soon.